Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the BYSTONE product photography backdrop board kit. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so once you get this box open, they do come with instructions on kind of how to set this up, laying the backdrop and everything. Most importantly, I just kind of wanted to show you the different options that are there. There's different colors, there's all kinds of different backgrounds and layouts and stuff like that. So let's open this one up, kind of walk you through some of the colors, patterns, stuff like that. So as you can see, there's tiles. They all look pretty great. And you can bend these, you can, keep them flat. Then there's your just standard colors. I'll show you some others. This is going to be the board, I feel like. Kind of keep it in. So this will be the board, standard white, but you can also just kind of lay this out. So once you get these things in, you can just put this in, and you don't have to keep it in the box, obviously. But I'll show it kind of the way I'm going to use it. Now that you get a feel for it, I'm just going to show you my setup in just a moment here. All right, so as you can see, this will kind of, and I'm going to move it into kind of my setup in a second, but I just want to show you kind of how you can lay it out. And then I'm actually going to show you kind of my standard kind of setup is going to be kind of brought in just like so. And so this will give me a clean background where I can do my reviews and stuff like that. Open all that stuff, and I can move this wherever I want. So the key component is I get to take this downstairs, put it on like a kitchen table or wherever I want, put it against a wall. It gives me a lot of flexibility. And again, as mentioned, there's a lot of different looks, feels, different things I can put on there depending on what the product is. If I'm looking to have it kind of just be kind of just this backdrop, it's really smooth and simple. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you, and thanks for watching.